Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota Corolla LE CVT. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan, and the color is slate metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Now, some of your features include your forward collision mitigation, you have fully automatic headlights, you have automatic high beams, and you have a rear vision camera, making it easier for you to back out of those tight parking stalls. But there's lots happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your trunk release, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. We're just going to open this up here and we'll take a look at the interior. So lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. This is a smaller sedan, so that's always nice to know that it's not going to be squishy. You do have your power windows, locks, and mirrors, and you have a little bit of storage here on the driver's side door. Your power mirrors are just situated just left of the steering wheel there, along with your windshield wiper defrost button. Looking a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have this really comfortable plush interior, really nice to ride around in. So I am just going to hop on in and we'll take a look at some and what kind of things we have going on here. Some fun stuff. There we go. So taking a look at the central information display here, really nice ambient blue lighting there, really nice on the, really easy on the eyes. So that's going to be nice driving in the dark. It's not going to be too bright for you. And then moving a little bit further back, you do have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons here, along with your mode changers. And then on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free calling, your voice command. This is your display menu for your central information display. So this is going to give you your settings, your average fuel economy, things like that. So some great information just there. You also have your lane departure alert, your dynamic radar cruise control, and your cruise control is just back here. And these two will work together to keep you nice and safe and make those long highway drives a little bit nicer. Taking a look at your audio information, or audio sources now, you do have everything that you're going to want in here as well. You have your AM, FM radio, your CD player, your USB, and your audio input, and then you have your Bluetooth there that gives you your hands-free calling as well. And then in your car app, this is going to be all of your trip information. This is going to give you your average speed, how long your elapsed time was for that trip, and then your fuel range, things like that. So you can take a look at how you're driving and your driving habits and things like that, and how much fuel you're going through. You do have your air conditioning here, looking at your temperature control now, and then just below that you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You also have a 12-volt DC plug-in just there, and then you have your audio input and your USB there as well. So a little bit of storage right down here. You do have your sport mode. That's going to be really fun to drive your Corolla that way. You have a nice leather shift knob just down there. Your traction control just behind that. You have a couple of cup holders there, and here you have a 2-level center console that's going to allow you to keep some personal items with you, have a little bit of storage there. And then right in here you have a nice big glove box with all of the manuals that you're going to need. So in case you need any more information about your Corolla, lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Corolla. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your Corolla now, I did mention that we do have a trunk release button on our fob, so we're just going to open this up here for you, and we're going to take a look at the amount of cargo space. Now, just because you're driving a sedan doesn't mean you don't have anything to carry, which is great because this Corolla has a ton of trunk space. You can carry practically anything you'd like. There's lots and lots of room. Right under here as well is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need, and so, you know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you have that spare tire to get you back to safety. And once you're finished loading in all of your gear, we'll just close this back up here for you. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Corolla. Giving you a final view then of your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE CVT. Now there's tons happening in this vehicle that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it, bring your family along, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.